Welcome to my mushroom haul.
Tới chị lui mất hết 2-3 ngày em á. Để con đâu mà đó đó. Ông ngày xưa mẹ theo con tim chứ không có con chim nha.
Anh uống thử ấy. Just juicy sparkling water. Chúa chắc là thích. Ngon.
Mẹ kêu cái đi. Ở nhà mình có jam gì đâu. Của đây mà thấy giống như là
Ông có con cá.
Con học con gì nhà con là ok. Ăn nhiều phải có show như vậy đó con. Rồi lắm ăn nhiều.
Well, everybody feel free to take a seat.
Do you prefer the bag seat or for collecting trash? I'm sorry. I just don't want to go further. Yeah. It's just got like so much but it's here. I bought one of these guys.
I just want to close out this vlog with showing you my junk journal I created in the workshop I went today. It was located at the Mushroom Shop, which is a very cute, I guess, local mushroom shop. And a lot of the things that they sell there is either local or curated to that shop. So it was really cool. I love how tall it is. And then I also put a sticker here, a and then I have a couple of like envelopes. I put Lena. And then not only that, but I was able to take home a couple extra goodies from my future journaling. And then I added a couple of blank pages just to, you know, have to write prompts. And a little pocket here to add like potential stickers or like receipts or like little photo cards to remember. really like the green color I picked out for this. It really goes well with beige and neutral. And then I also love the fact that I put this mail insert here because now I have like folders on both sides. It's so nice. And then I tied a little bow to the back. Isn't that cute? I really want to try putting it in my leather bound journal. It's really cute. And then it says the shop and location. And then they gave us sample mushrooms. A lot, actually. So I'd be like, oh, I got this mushroom. Welcome to my mushroom haul. No, that's not horrible. I don't know my mushrooms.